Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for all the e-commerce enthusiasts out there. Introduction to Shopify SEO. In the vast world of online retail, it's easy to feel like a small fish in a big pond. But with the right tools and strategies, you can stand out and make a splash. That's where Shopify SEO comes in. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the key to unlocking the door to visibility and sales. It's like a beacon, guiding potential customers to your online store amidst a sea of competitors. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce veteran or just starting your journey, understanding and mastering Shopify SEO is a game changer. It's your roadmap to success, your secret weapon in the competitive world of online retail. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into the fascinating world of Shopify SEO. So let's dive right in. First things first, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Picture the internet as a vast library and search engines as the librarians. Now, these librarians need to understand what each book, or in our case, website, is about to help visitors find what they're looking for. This is where SEO comes into play. It's the process of making your website easier for search engines to understand. It involves optimizing your site's structure, content, and other elements to make it more attractive to these search engines. The ultimate goal? To rank higher in search engine results. But why is this so important for your online store? Think about it. When you search for something online, how often do you go past the first page of results? Rarely, right? Well, the higher your store ranks, the more likely potential customers will find and visit it. A Shopify is an excellent e-commerce platform, but without proper SEO, your products might get lost in the vast online marketplace. Imagine your store as a physical shop in a crowded mall. With so many options, how can you make sure shoppers find your store? That's where SEO comes into play. Just as you would use a map or directory in a shopping mall, online shoppers use search engines to navigate the internet. When they search for products, you want your store to be at the top of the results. Effective SEO is like a big, bright sign that draws shoppers in. It makes your store more visible, helping you stand out among the multitude of online retailers. But SEO is not just about visibility. It's also about attracting the right kind of traffic. Organic traffic. These are visitors who find your store through a search engine, not paid advertising. They're more likely to be interested in your products and make a purchase. Optimizing your store for search engines ensures visibility, attracting organic traffic and potential customers. Start with keyword research. This is the bedrock of any successful SEO strategy. It's all about understanding what your potential customers are typing into search engines when they're looking for products like yours. Once you've identified these keywords, you can then weave them naturally into your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags. But remember, it's not about stuffing as many keywords as possible. The aim is to use them in a way that feels organic and genuinely helpful to your customers. Next, let's talk about optimized product pages. These are the pages that will do the heavy lifting when it comes to converting visitors into customers. So, how do you optimize them? Well, it starts with high-quality images that showcase your products in the best possible light. You'll also want to craft compelling product descriptions that highlight the key features and benefits of your items. And don't forget about a clear and compelling call to action. This is what nudges your customers to take the next step, whether it's adding a product to their cart or making a purchase. Now, on to mobile-friendly design. With so many of us doing our shopping on smartphones and tablets, it's crucial that your Shopify store is easy to navigate on these devices. A mobile-friendly design not only improves the user experience, but also gives your store a boost in search rankings. Google has made it clear that mobile friendliness is a ranking factor, so this is something you can't afford to overlook. Let's move on to site speed and performance. We live in a fast-paced world where people aren't willing to wait around for slow-loading websites. If your Shopify store takes too long to load, you risk losing potential customers and damaging your search rankings. So, how can you improve your site speed? Start by optimizing your images. Large, high-resolution images can slow down your site, so consider compressing them. You can also leverage browser caching and consider using a content delivery network, or CDN, to speed up loading times. Finally, we have quality backlinks. These are links from other reputable websites that point to your Shopify store. Backlinks are like votes of confidence in the eyes of search engines. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more likely search engines will view your store as trustworthy and authoritative. So how do you earn these backlinks? Consider strategies like guest posting on relevant blogs, collaborating with influencers in your industry, or creating shareable content that others will want to link to. Consider guest posting, influencer collaborations, and other strategies to earn backlinks. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, but a continual process of improvement and refinement. So, stay informed, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay patient. Success in SEO doesn't happen overnight, but with diligence and perseverance, you'll see your traffic and sales grow. Lucky for us, Shopify offers some fantastic built-in tools and apps to streamline the SEO process. With these tools at your disposal, you can efficiently optimize your store, making it more visible to potential customers. First off, Shopify has an excellent built-in SEO feature. This allows you to edit the title tags, meta descriptions, and URLs of your pages. You can also add alt text to images, which helps search engines understand the content of the image. This built-in feature is a great starting point for your SEO journey. But what if you want to go a step further? That's where Shopify's SEO apps come in. There are several apps available that can enhance your store's SEO. For instance, apps like SEO Manager and Plugin SEO offer features like keyword suggestions, SEO audits, and error reports. These apps can help you identify and fix any SEO issues that might be holding your store back. Another game changer is the Shopify Analytics tool. This tool provides valuable insights into your store's performance. It can show you where your traffic is coming from, which products are most popular, and how customers are interacting with your site. These insights can guide your SEO strategy, helping you focus on what's working and improve areas that might need a little extra attention. Shopify also integrates with Google Search Console, a free tool from Google that helps you monitor and troubleshoot your site's presence in Google search results. It shows you which keywords are leading people to your site, which pages are most popular, and if there are any issues that might impact your site's performance in search results. Lastly, don't forget about the power of social media. Shopify integrates with major social media platforms, allowing you to leverage the power of social signals to boost your SEO. By sharing your products on social media, you can drive more traffic to your store and increase your visibility in search results. These tools can give your store the competitive edge it needs. With the right tools and a little effort, you can optimize your Shopify store, attract more customers, and boost your sales. So why wait? Start optimizing your store today. So, there you have it. A brief but comprehensive introduction to Shopify SEO. We've covered quite a bit today, so let's quickly recap the essentials. Firstly, we learned that SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of fine-tuning your online store to rank higher in search engine results. This is vital because the higher your store ranks, the more likely potential customers will stumble upon it. We also established that Shopify SEO is crucial. Without proper SEO, your fantastic products might go unnoticed in the vast online marketplace. Optimizing your Shopify store for search engines ensures visibility, attracting organic traffic and potential customers. Then, we dove into the key elements of Shopify SEO. We explored the importance of keyword research and how integrating these terms into your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags can help your store rank higher. We discussed the significance of optimized product pages, featuring high-quality images, compelling product descriptions, and clear calls to action. We also touched upon the necessity of a mobile-friendly design, as a considerable portion of online shopping happens on mobile devices. We underscored the importance of site speed and performance. A slow-loading website can deter potential customers and hurt your search rankings, so make sure to optimize your images, leverage browser caching, and consider a content delivery network for faster loading times. Lastly, we examined the value of quality backlinks. Building high-quality backlinks to your Shopify store through strategies like guest posting and influencer collaborations can significantly improve your search rankings. And let's not forget the fantastic built-in tools and apps that Shopify offers. These tools streamline the SEO process and provide in-depth analytics, giving your store the competitive edge it needs. Remember, mastering SEO is an ongoing process. Stay informed about the latest trends and continuously optimize your store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on taking your e-commerce game to the next level. Until next time.